Oh.
Okay, so you've probably seen stop it. The shocking video of the crocodile that was captured in Jamaica. Is this in Portmore recently? And with everything that happened, we took to social media to ask our Smile Jammers if they thought it was animal cruelty or just self-preservation. But first, if you can, take a look at this.
Wow.
Is it done?
Yeah. All right. So the first is from Alexia Davis. And what does Alexia say?
Watching that video literally broke my heart and upset me. Ignorance has a lot to do with how people treat animals. We believe we are the only ones that should occupy this space we call Earth. We destroy their homes. We kill and waste Earth resources. We yawn at creation and thrill at destruction. Animal lives matter. Wow.
Data said, well, if the animal killed a child, I'm sure we wouldn't be having this discussion. It's a tough one. I, for one, wouldn't be this cruel to the animal. I would have called the relevant authorities. I guess who knows better actually do better.
Well, the crocodile was in the gully, right? Like in the gully, in the water. So like somebody could have just called NEPA, right? Why were they taking it out of the...
All right, so
this is wickedness, says Antoinette Lawrence. Obviously, they have the creature under some restraint. Let's try restraining him better and call the relevant authorities, no?
And we want to go to Instagram. What's the next one on Instagram?
Celine Williams.
I'm afraid of those things, but at the end of the day, no creation of God should undergo such cruelty. It's a living, breathing creature being created by a purpose that's cruelty at its peak.
Stellable Philly says, kill him, because if him did catch anybody and yam them, the crocodile now see it as cruelty, must see it as tasty and want more. Protecting themselves, I say.
Yep, that's the last one. Yeah, that's... I really couldn't watch that, and I thought it was cruel.
They're protected folks, remember that. They're there in their natural environment, so if you see them, do not go near to them to try and pull them out. Call NEPA. Don't eat them. These are things that you didn't think you should have to be saying. But this was a thing and probably still is. 754-7540-9 is the number for NEPA.